Welcome to Zenfolio. Let's walk you through using Face Finder. Face Finder makes it easy for your customers to find themselves by giving them the ability to highlight their images in a gallery using a picture of themselves. No longer will they have to endlessly scroll through images. Let's get started. First, you'll need to turn on facial detection. To do this, click on your name in the upper right-hand corner of your Zenfolio account. Then click on Account Settings, and then AI Settings in the left-hand column and toggle on Facial Scan. You'll be required to agree to terms and service before you can continue. Next, let's navigate back to the dashboard and then Galleries. For this demo, we're going to start from a gallery that's already been uploaded. However, you can initiate the facial scan during gallery creation and upload as well. Now in the gallery, under Settings, choose the Content section. Then you'll want to click on Search Tools and toggle Face Finder on. Next, choose who can use it from the dropdown. Here we've chosen everyone. This will start the facial scan of everyone in the gallery. Now the gallery is scanning all the images and identifying all the faces it can find. Once the process is complete, you can share the gallery with your customers. This process may take a few minutes depending on how many images are in the gallery. Let's click on Preview to see how Face Finder works for your customers. Instead of having to scroll all the way through all of these images trying to find images of themselves, they're going to click the Face Finder icon here to launch the feature. Now they can either use the camera on their phone or computer to take a photo, or they can upload an image they already have. For this demo, we're going to upload this photo. Before Face Finder continues, your customers will be asked to add an email address and a password and agree to the terms of service. This terms of service, email address, and password covers you and allows your customers to always change their mind and delete the reference photo. 28 images match this face. Your customers can always navigate between all photos and their photos. They can also always close out Face Finder whenever they want. And that is Face Finder for Zenfolio. For more information on this or anything else about Zenfolio, visit zenfolio.com to view our support articles or reach out to customer support. We'd be happy to answer your questions.